Hey guys, welcome back. About a video ago I mentioned an item I was waiting for. I'm excited to tell you guys that that item is almost here. Wait, that's not it. There you go. I knew it worked. So this is what I've been waiting for, and let me tell you guys, I'm actually very excited about this. So let's get this thing open. Well, that worked. Alright, so I don't need this. I could have sworn this box was brown and bigger. Alright guys, so let's see what's in the box. Here we have a harness for our daytime running lights, so we can run these as our DRLs. We have switchback modules for our turn signals. And here we have some wiring so we can tap into our OEM harness and wire up the C lights. And here are the actual C lights in this bag, well protected, so they don't get any scratches on them or damaged. So I'm going to do an install video for you guys. I've seen a couple of them on YouTube, but I think I'm going to do a more a step-by-step type of thing. Get you guys a more in-depth tutorial kind of. I don't know when I'm going to have time to do it. It's probably going to be somewhere around Thanksgiving. I think I'll have some free time. I still haven't even decided whether I'm going to go with a flat black or a gloss black. Also, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep the turn signals orange or if I'm gonna black them out. And I was also thinking about tinting the high beam yellow. Well, not tinting it, but painting the chrome piece, the chrome reflector yellow. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, comment down below. Follow me on Instagram at EvolWRX, that's EVOLWRX. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.